For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a machine shop business can be a lucrative venture, especially if you leverage the power of free AI tools to help guide and streamline your process. A machine shop typically provides precision machining services such as cutting, shaping, and assembling metal parts, which are essential for industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to launch a successful machine shop using free AI resources to save time, reduce costs, and improve decision-making. Step 1. Conduct market research and validate your idea. Before investing in equipment or leasing space, it's critical to understand your local and target market's demand for machine shop services. Use AI-powered market research tools to gather data on competitors, pricing, customer needs, and industry trends. For example, you can use ChatGPT to assist in gathering and summarizing market information. A prompt you could use is, ChatGPT, provide a summary of the current market demand and competition for machine shops in your city or region. What industries are most likely to require machining services? This will help you identify potential clients and gaps in a market you can fill. Step 2. Develop a business plan. A solid business plan is the foundation of your machine shop business. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can help you draft a detailed plan by outlining your vision, mission, business objectives, market analysis, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Use this prompt to start. ChatGPT, help me write a comprehensive business plan for a new machine shop focusing on specific services or industries. Include sections on market analysis, target customers, marketing, and financial projections. This will give you a structured document you can revise and tailor as needed. Step 3. Choose your services and specialize. Machine shops can offer a variety of services such as CNC machining, milling, turning, grinding, welding, and assembly. Using AI, you can analyze local industry needs and competitor offerings to decide what services to focus on. Ask ChatGPT, what are the most profitable and in-demand machine shop services for small businesses in your location? Which industries require specialized machining? This insight will guide you to choose services that match market demand and your expertise. Step 4. Find suitable location and equipment. The location of your machine shop is important for access to customers and suppliers, as well as for space requirements. Use AI tools like Google Maps integrated with local business databases to analyze locations near your target customers. ChatGPT can assist you with a prompt such as, suggest factors to consider when selecting a location for a machine shop targeting automotive and aerospace industries. For equipment, research various machines online and create a list of must-have and optional equipment based on your service offering. Use ChatGPT to generate a comparison summary by prompting. Compare essential machine shop equipment needed for CNC machining versus manual machining, including costs and maintenance. This will help you prioritize purchases within your budget. Step 5. Understand legal and regulatory requirements. Every business must comply with local zoning laws, environmental regulations, and safety standards. Use AI-powered legal information tools or ask ChatGPT. What are the common legal, environmental, and safety regulations for starting a machine shop business in your state/country? What permits and licenses are required? This step ensures you avoid costly compliance issues. Step 6. Develop a marketing plan. To attract customers, you need an effective marketing plan. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or free platforms like HubSpot's marketing templates to build a plan that includes online presence, networking, and outreach strategies. A useful prompt would be, create a marketing plan for a machine shop targeting manufacturing and automotive clients. Include online and offline marketing tactics and customer acquisition strategies. Consider social media marketing, SEO for your website, and partnerships with local businesses. Step 7. Create your website and online presence. Your online presence is crucial in today's digital world. Use free AI website builders such as Wix ADI or Zyro, which leverage AI to design professional websites quickly. For content creation, ChatGPT can help write engaging copy. Prompt example: write homepage content for a machine shop website, emphasizing precision, quality, and fast turnaround times. Additionally, set up Google My Business and social media profiles to increase visibility. Step 8. Set pricing and financial management systems. Pricing your services correctly ensures profitability. Use AI to analyze competitor pricing and cost structures. ChatGPT can help by answering, help me create a pricing model for a machine shop providing CNC machining and milling services, considering labor, materials, and overhead. Also, set up free accounting software like Wave or ZipBooks to manage invoicing and finances efficiently. Step 9. Build relationships and network. Networking with local manufacturers, engineers, and suppliers can generate referrals and partnerships. Use LinkedIn and local business directories to identify key contacts. ChatGPT can assist you in drafting outreach messages or emails with prompts such as, write a professional email introducing my new machine shop business to a potential manufacturing client. This will help you establish professional relationships with ease. Step 10. Hire and train staff, if applicable. If you plan to hire machinists or administrative staff, AI can help draft job descriptions and interview questions. Use ChatGPT prompts like, create a job description for an experienced CNC machinist for a small machine shop. Once hired, you can find free online training resources or tutorials and use AI to generate training plans tailored to your team's needs. Step 11. Launch and monitor your business. Once everything is set, launch your machine shop and track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as revenue, customer acquisition, and operational efficiency. Use AI analytics tools or spreadsheets enhanced by AI assistants to monitor progress. Ask ChatGPT, help me create a monthly business performance dashboard template for a machine shop. Regularly reviewing data will help you make informed decisions and adjust strategies as needed. Conclusion. Starting a machine shop business with the support of free AI tools can make the process more manageable, cost-effective, and efficient. From market research to business planning, marketing, and operations, AI can assist you every step of the way by generating insights, creating content, and automating repetitive tasks. By following these steps and using AI strategically, you can set a strong foundation for your machine shop and increase your chances of long-term success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.